my channel. Today's recipe is Lauki kofta, or you can say Kaddu kofta, with an easy ingredients. I'll show you the ingredients first. Here I have taken a 1 full cup of grated bottle gourd, removed excess water, a cup of tomato puree, paste of 2 medium-sized onions, a full cup of oil which is used both for frying and cooking, chopped onions, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 2 to 3 dry red chili, salt to taste, turmeric powder half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and half a bunch of coriander leaves. Let's start cooking. Now in a bowl add the grated bottle gourd, chopped onions, salt to taste, red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and half a teaspoon of garlic, chopped garlic, and add the corn flour. This is somewhere around 3 tablespoons. Add all. Turmeric powder and chopped coriander. Now mix all this well. After mixing well, it looks like this. Now keep it aside for 5 minutes. Now switch on the flame, add the oil, and till oil gets heated, let's prepare our bottle gourd balls. I'll show you how. When oil gets heated, make a ball and fry it. Fry it on a low to medium flame. Take this and make it into a round balls and add directly into the oil. Fry all the balls into the batches. I have fried all the balls of Kaddu or Lauki. Now remove the excess oil and take only 1 teaspoon of oil. In a hot oil, add onion paste. Along with this, add the chopped garlic and cook it for a few minutes. Now add turmeric powder, red chili powder up to your taste, garam masala powder, and salt to taste. Mix this well. Once it's mixed, add the tomato puree and cook till it separates the oil. The oil is separated now. To make it in a gravy consistency, add a cup of water and cook it well. Once it cooks well, add the fried koftas into the gravy. Add some fresh cream. If you want, you can skip this step. This is optional. Cook it for 2 minutes and then serve it. I have transferred in a bowl and garnished with some coriander and red chili. A Kaddu kofta is ready. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Never Tasted Before, and click the bell icon to receive a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.